According to the National Alliance to End Homelessness, on any given night, almost 5,000 people are without a home in the state of Wisconsin. One Gunderson Health System program is looking to provide the resources for those in need. News 8 Now's Michael Germain has the details. Good evening, Michael.
Emily, the homeless outreach team at Gunderson Health System is looking to combat against the problem of homelessness in La Crosse, looking to provide the aid and resources that many in this community take for granted.
Really, our goal is to make sure that people are safe.
The outreach team consists of the La Crosse Fire Department, emergency personnel, and others from a variety of organizations. Sandy Brecky is the senior consultant to the Office of Population Health at Gunderson Health System. Brecky is a part of the mobile medical team, which provides medical assistance to folks in need.
We're taking care of medical issues right on the spot. So we have a mobile van that we take out, and on Wednesdays we have physicians and residents and nurses out. And so any medical needs that people have, we can address right there on the spot.
Brecky says it can be hard for the homeless to get care at Gunderson Health. So instead, they take their care to them.
Because we know there's a lot of barriers for them to actually come into the health system.
With the colder temperatures making their way through the Cooley region, there are several health risks you need to be aware of.
We're worried about hypothermia. We're worried about people that maybe have mental illness or substance use disorder that maybe can't even identify when they're in trouble.
But out of everything, the reoccurring theme is frostbite.
We're still right now working with 2 people who have complications from frostbite from last year. The other thing we see a lot of is what we call trench foot.
Trench foot is caused when your feet get wet, but they're not properly dried off, which can be difficult to fix, especially during the winter months.
Their feet are sitting, wet all the time. So it's hot and cold and wetness, which can cause infections and complications in people's feet.
Molly McCormick, the community risk educator for the La Crosse Fire Department, says these people are still community members regardless of their housing situations.
We're trying to reach folks that are at most risk, and so in our community, the unsheltered population is a group that needs that extra connection.
McCormick says it's more about building relationships and trust within the community.
It's difficult. It's hard being here and knowing what people are facing, but it's nice to be just even to bring kindness. I think that the world needs a little more kindness, a little more compassion, and that's really going to help in this hardship and the trauma that folks have faced.
Now, for more information on this story, you can head to our website at news8000.com. Until then, reporting in La Crosse, Michael Germain, News 8 Now. Emily, back to you.
All right, thank you, Michael.